Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing good and welcome to my new setup as well. So I changed everything here. So except for some of the cars. So I just kept it as it is because I love those cars. So I hope you saw the unboxing video of those team transports there. So these are the new cases. I hope you saw the case, the video on these cases as well. So with that said, today, this week we are going to unbox the entire tune-up series. Luckily I was able to get all the six now. So let me start with this. So this is the first one in the series. So this is the Honda Civic Type R EK9. So honestly, this entire series looks really amazing. See, back then in 2022, 2023, even I think till 2024. So this particular set here, and I do have a lot more, but I don't have space to keep it here now because I need to buy this particular set of boxes now. So this looks really good compared to the older ones which I was using. So I'm still searching for more boxes like this. I mean, display cases like this. So I will add, like on top of this, But okay, I'm off tracking from this. Okay, what I was trying to say is, so back then when they released this particular series, they did it as a like a you can say this uh, surprise kind of thing. I mean, you don't know what's inside, so you just need to open and see whether it is the it's a rare or super rare or ultra rare or common, something like that. So that was really frustrating because the very first time, without knowing the codes and all, I bought two similar cars actually. So I did unboxing video of one of the car, but the other one I actually sold. So I'm happy that they went with this particular style this time because I saw this in other countries, that they are doing something like this instead of giving that surprise kind of thing, which is really irritating. So I mean, this one you will know what you are getting, and with the cool card art, and it actually shows here. Let me put it a little bit like this. You can actually see here that what this entire set actually has to offer. So right now we have all the six here. So yeah, this is the first one in the set, and here's the second one. So this is the Skyline GTR R34, and the artwork looks absolutely beautiful. And I really like the way they are not going with only one side of artwork. Like see in this one the car is from, from our perspective it's from right to left, and in this one it is from left to right. So that is something different. And here you can see this is also from left to right. This is the third one in this series, the Toyota Supra. So this one looks absolutely beautiful. We did unbox the Supra, during last week, which is that one. So this actually the casting wise both are same, but the livery is different. And I'm hoping this particular body kit in this one that is similar to that one. If that's the case, you can actually mix and match this. So I do have the Supra from the 349 or 399 series, that semi-premium series. Okay, so here is the Nissan Silvia Specchiaro. So that is this one actually. So I personally prefer that one because the color on this one looks absolutely amazing. The entire set was really amazing. So even this color looks really beautiful, but I personally prefer that one because it's purple and it looks gorgeous. Okay, it looks really cool. So I think even the livery is kind of the same. Yeah, so the livery is actually same, only the difference is between the paint job. Okay, let's move on to the next one, so which is this. So this is the Honda S2000. So this is also from you can see it here in the set. I mean, if you saw the video last week you might know that now that is the same car here. And I think I actually yeah, I did pop off this engine hood when I was unboxing that. So you can actually mix and match these two as well. So I'm pretty sure the body kit is same, judging from this image. So, and last but not least, this is new for this particular set, which is this one, the Nissan Z. So I did see Nissan Z in other sets, like the semi-premium sets and all, but I didn't buy that. So I wanted to get this one because for the obvious reasons. It has, the body kit, the rubber tires, extra and everything. So this one looks really cool, and the paint job, the color combination, they're going with this, like midnight club vibes, or you can even say Tokyo Drift vibes. I really love this. So this is the last one in this series. So with that said, guys, I will be unboxing this set this week. I actually bought a lot more today alone, so I will be showcasing that in coming days. We'll be unboxing everything. So and so thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a great day. Goodbye.